present. But anyway, your presence today is really a very big gratitude for me and the rest of the administration and the rest of the faculty. So, di lang ako tason because I will be sharing to you the School of Nursing address, meaning to say, I will be sa politika pa na State of the Nation address. Ang diri sa school, I am creating this, conceiving this as School of Nursing address. So, ako mong ituyok sa history sa College of Nursing. I will be discussing this later on. So, welcome everyone, and let us make this day a very joyful one, and a productive one. I love you all.
Thank you so much, Madam.
And she will continue the legacy that I have implanted.
Come on, girl. Sana all. Uli na sila uli.
That's 464. Six. Bigo na? 5-5. Okay lah. Hala, sabihin ko lagi mo ka na.